recently met a couple in their 60s who have shifted home for 10 times. But today, they own a property in the public housing and cannot afford a second property despite the booming market over the years. So just what has gone wrong? If you don't want to be in such a position, then you've got to watch this. Hi everyone, welcome back to my video. Down, camera down. Alright, so hi everyone, this is Joshua Tan and welcome back to my video once again. So by now, it's not a secret that many people use property as a means to protect and grow their wealth. When done correctly, the value of their property or properties should grow considerably over the years and help them become financially free. So today, I'm going to show you some case studies and factors to look out for when shopping for properties for yourself and your children. When it comes to buying a property, people often talk about location. However, is that always really the case? Let's take a look at Suites at Orchard, a development that is in town, 2 minutes walk from Dhoby Ghaut MRT and is near the Orchard Road shopping belt. Now you might have thought that any property in such a location will make you good money. However, as you can see in the transactions for Suites at Orchard, even an owner who have held the property for 11 years have made a loss of about $80,000, and we have not even factored in the stamp duty and legal fees. Next is whether freehold is important, and for this example, we are going to look at 38 I Suites, a development along Ipoh Lane. While many might have thought that freehold is always a good choice, but once again, is it really the case? Let's take a look at the transactions record. As you can see, despite holding the property for 8 years, one of the owners actually lost $180,000. And on the positive side of things, one of the profitable units only made $200,000 over a period of 10 years, which pales in comparison to many other property choices if you have watched my previous videos. So thus far, what does this tell us? It tells us that yes, location and freehold may be very valid, but they should not be the sole indicators that you look for when purchasing a property. Other factors that you might want to look out for are the size of the land plot, proximity of good schools, amenities, as well as the demographics of people around that region should you decide to exit your property in the future. Of course, there is an exhaustive checklist for you to look out for. Lastly, it is also important for you as a property purchaser to make decisions based on analysing the market with facts and figures. Because the last thing I want for you is to become like the couple that I mentioned earlier, buying and selling properties without proper guidance. So if you're ready to upgrade, plan for your future generations, or invest in property to protect and grow your wealth, feel free to hit me up. Once again, this is Joshua Tan and I'll see you around.